So today I'm going to be showing you how to make peanut butter fat bombs. All you need is a 1/2 cup and a 1/4 cup and coconut oil, honey, and peanut butter. So just 3 ingredients is all you need. This is a favorite snack for my kiddos. They love them and they're so easy to make and they're very healthy. So what you're going to want to do first is melt a 1/2 cup of coconut oil over the stove. So just get it melted. It doesn't take very long to melt, or if it's a hot summer day, it will already be melted for you. So while your coconut is melting, your coconut oil, you're going to want to get your peanut butter ready. I love this peanut butter. It's from Thrive Market and it's really creamy. Some peanut butters are very hard to get out of the container, but this one is awesome. I love it. It's perfect, so I like to use this one. So you're going to get your peanut butter ready. And then you're going to take your peanut butter and the melted coconut oil and a 1/4 cup of honey into your blender to get ready to mix it all up. Make sure when you're doing this process that you don't wait too long because the coconut oil does reharden pretty quickly. So I like to do it, give a little stir and just keep moving with it so it goes smoothly. Also for this recipe, I use a silicone mold so that they pop out real easily. I know you can get these pretty much anywhere nowadays, but the particular ones I'm using here, I picked up at IKEA one time when I was there, and they work really well for making these sorts of things. And I think they're actually called silicone ice cube trays, but I don't use them for making ice. So you're just going to run your blender for maybe a minute or less just to incorporate all of the ingredients together. And here's the molds I'm using. And you're going to pour carefully into them. This recipe that I'm using, it fills pretty much 2 full trays. So like I said, that's a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of honey fills both of these silicone molds. So keep that in mind when you are picking out the mold for your fat bombs. And last step is to put these in the freezer, and they need to set for at least 30 minutes in the freezer, and after that they're good to go, but you just keep them in the freezer the whole time because they will melt if it gets too warm.